everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, white dress. This is the doctor's dress. And why the doctor? Because I have to speak with you about a real doctor, Valentino Rossi. And we have the model of one of his bike. Let's go to see. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. And here we are. I'm holding the camera with my hands, so I hope not to do mess, but I want to show you this bike. In the slideshow I will show you the engine. This looks like real, and it works. The stand with working. On the other side. A little bit of dust. The gas returns. Fantastic. This is soft. And now I show you how I mounted. A slideshow with some music. Spend your time. 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes. So you jump into the assembling. And so, my friends, what you say? Have you seen? Was it interesting? I love this model, and if you want one, it's very expensive. Don't think with some $100 you can buy it. You, I think, have to think about in Italy or in Europe we use euros, and 1,200, 1,300, 2,000 euros. You can't have it no more, and so the price, it depends. With the right offer, perhaps I can sell it too. You know, there's a price for everything. It depends from the level of the price. And on this wonderful consideration, thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and I hope to find you next time with, who knows, something new, something interesting, something to have fun. Ciao!